So over here you can see that I have this particular task right here called make meeting minutes, and the timing is 6:40 p.m. to 6:55 p.m. right here. Let's say if I want to change the timing of this particular task, then all you need to do is click on this task and then choose a different time. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say this is going to be next day. You can also go around and choose next day right here, and let's say this is going to be not on next day because next day is Saturday. Let's say for example I'm going to go for Monday right here. So I'm going to go around and type in 2:00 p.m. right here, just like this. You can add in the end time as you want as well, just like this, and update the task. Then what happens is that the timing changes out. So if I were to go around on to Monday right here, so you can see the timing changed out just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and change out the task time inside of Structured. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.